welcome to Tip Time Thursday. Today we're going to talk about setting up a library and decluttering books. And one question to ask yourself whether or not you're keeping a book or not is the information in it still valid and up to date? If all the information is old and outdated, there's really no reason to keep the book. Unless, of course, you're in love with it, and then I always advise that you keep it. Right now I'm working on a small library project. What we did was we sorted the books by category, like autobiographies, underwater animals and diving, art history in another. She's into cars, so we had cars in another. Getting rid of the ones we felt she did not want anymore, the outdated ones, some cooking books that she knew she was never going to use. We sorted by category and then we arranged on the shelf by size and color so it looked beautiful, and her library is now a quiet space where she can relax and either read or just chill out. She can even use it for meditating and being alone with her own thoughts. So thanks for joining me today on Tip Time Thursday. I'd like to invite you to go to my website, www.pohulocal.com. You can subscribe to my weekly newsletter where I give cleaning tips or decluttering tips. There's also a 7-day challenge that will take you from start to finish to clean out one entire area in your home. So thanks for joining me on Tip Time Thursday.